What's up, guys? I got something special for y'all today. I typically do speed edits for portraits, but today we are doing a gas station edit. That's right, I said it, gas station. I want to make it look cinematic, moody, and just vintage looking. So without further ado, let's get it.
Here I am, just trying to be myself. It's a crazy world, looking to find my place, and all they do is here I am, just trying to run the race in the slow pace. All I'm trying to do is run, not win, and all they do is mirror, mirror, tell me, what is it about them? Living like it's their game. Karma said it better than me, you'll just end up losing. We're in a house made of glass, devils in disguise. I can see right through your eyes, baby, I can see your lies. We're in a house made of glass, devils in disguise. I can see right through your eyes, baby, I can see your lies. Here I am, trying to stand out in the crowd, have my own sound. How's it that the fake ones are always so loud?